vigorous oxidation of But-2-ene. And when you do vigorous oxidation, the reagent that you use is hot acidified KMnO4 or potassium permanganate. The color of potassium permanganate will change from purple to colorless. And when you acidify the potassium permanganate, you use a strong acid like H2SO4, which is strong. Then it will react. This question asks you the products when you do the vigorous oxidation of But-2-ene. What will you get? First of all, if you do vigorous oxidation like this, the double bond in the organic substance will break up. So in this case, between carbon number 2 and carbon number 3, they will break up, and carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 will be both oxidized. How about carbon number 1 and carbon number 4? They are not affected. You should not change anything to carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. They should remain as CH3. So that's it. We have carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 stay as CH3. How about carbon number 2? They will break up and will get oxidized. And when they get oxidized, they turn into COH, which is a carboxylic acid, which means the products are ethanoic acid. So that's the two products. Below here, I explained the mistake here. Yeah, the two products below here is wrong. You will not get ethanol. So carbon number 2 and carbon number 3 will not turn into aldehyde. And what is the reason for that? Very simple. If it is ethanol, it will be oxidized further to ethanoic acid, because this is vigorous oxidation. The oxidizing agent in this case is very strong. So you won't get ethanol, you get ethanoic acid. Both product. Yeah? So you get carbon number 1 and carbon number 2 become ethanoic acid. Carbon number 3 and 4 become ethanoic acid. Yeah. So quite simple. I hope you can understand. Then tomorrow I'm going to make another video about vigorous oxidation of another substance, which is a little bit more complicated. See you tomorrow.